hole so that you can lift up the foam. You can tell I have touched this quick guide before, but there's a quick start guide. If you're a Windows user, there's extra keycaps. I don't think I found those keycaps yet. And then there's tutorials everywhere in case you want it, but you can find all that stuff on the internet. And it does come like this. I put it back in the box very well. It comes a little bit more shrink wrap than this. Much, much, much cleaner than what I have repeated. Swap, so they make sure you know how to do it right, and we never use that. So this is something that I missed the first time that I opened up the Q1, is that there's tools down here. Originally, it comes like this. So the quick start guide sits here. It just sits there, and you're like, oh, there's no tools. There's no anything. Why they do this? That sucks. But there is every tool under the sun. A super cool screwdriver. I like the blue. An Allen wrench. I think it's an Allen wrench to open it up. A not so great switch puller and a nice keycap puller. So I'm actually going to be using the tools today. So I'm going to put that aside. They opted for a straight cable, thank goodness, because the coiled cable of the Q1 was a little bit sketchy. Let me show